This Florida tennis program is changing lives, and here's how it really works. Some of the most impactful youth programs in Florida aren't flashy. They're not private, they're not hidden behind gates. They're built right here in the community, and this is one of them. We're at Mouratoglou Academy here in Zephyrhills. This world-class facility is city-owned and privately operated, but recently the doors have been busted wide open by a community-based program working to make training and development accessible to all kids and families from different backgrounds and from 14 local schools. Before I explain how it works, I want to show you around because the impact here isn't theoretical. It's happening every day on these courts. These are public courts. These are used for lessons, clinics, and daily training. You'll see kids just learning how to hold a racket right next to a player working toward competitive development. That mix is intentional. The goal here isn't exclusivity, it's access. Funding supports the fundamentals, coaching, youth programming, and the scholarships that help make participation possible for more families. Instead of me explaining the details, it's important to hear directly from the people running the program.
The SVB Foundation, our goal is to really introduce tennis to young people in the community. We want to teach life skills, build character, create mentorship opportunities. We partner with 14 schools and run a free program at their schools. We serve about 700 students a year, creating a pathway all the way from grassroots tennis to college, trades, and directly into the workforce. About 10% of the students we serve are invited here for a free program. They get to train at the High Performance Academy and learn from the best pros in the country and the world. The funding received by the SVB Foundation goes to coaching fees, 100% scholarship for kids, any equipment that we need. So it really is the community that makes this program possible.
Programs like this don't just build athletes, they build confidence, routine, opportunity. They create a place where kids feel supported and families feel connected. And if you know a hometown hero, program, or local business doing good work in our community, please reach out. We'd love to share your story. If you believe programs like this matter, share this video and follow along for more local love.